And here we are again, day 21 of the challenge, and tonight I'm coming live through BeLive because I wanted to share my screen also with you. And I can't do that with the Facebook Live, it's too difficult. So I just connected myself to BeLive to be here today for you too. So today I want to talk to you about some emails that I often get from people saying, like, for example, my dog has arthrosis and my vet has told me there's nothing else I can do except giving some painkillers. The same thing for hip dysplasia or for other similar problems. And then often this medication has then secondary effects on the dog, like stomach problems or diarrhea or things like that. So they come to me and then ask, what can photonic therapy still do for my animal? Now, it is a fact that, well, maybe let me first show you the picture I prepared for you. Okay, hold on. Let's see here. I'm going to share this. Okay, so this is a picture from one of the rescue dogs that I have in my ranch at this moment. And here you can see a picture of her elbows. As you can see, this is a really severe case of arthrosis. I don't know if you can see my mouse here, but as you can see, the left elbow is already totally deformed. Now, often in cases like this, they will say there is nothing else they can do. They can try to give some painkillers. And it's just a case of how long will the dog be able to go on and continue based on these painkillers. And if those painkillers won't work, then they will try other painkillers. Now, this is a dog that I have with me at the house, a rescue dog that I saved myself. This dog is not getting any medication. Some time back, the vet tried, he insisted to give medication. I said, okay, I'll give you a week. In that week, my dog just became sick with diarrhea, not wanting to eat, and there was no change in her pain. So I said to the vet, now I'm taking over again. I'm doing what I know best, which is photonic therapy in this case. So I started to do her standard points again every 2 days. And I would also torch her elbows, okay, for the arthrosis in the elbows. And I would torch locally in mode 2 then, would torch locally to reduce the pain there. Now, let me have a look if I can show you this. She's not perfect, but if you're gonna see this short video, hold on, let me see where I can click, because it's behind this little bar, okay. Voilà. This is, you can see the date here. This is this morning at 10:54. Now, these 3 dogs, all 3 of them, so it's genetic because they're brother and 2 sisters. They all have disc protrusions in their columbar at T12, T13, lumbar 1, all 3 of them. So these are very old dogs. They are going to be 12. These are these dogs this morning. Remember also that Tommy, the big boy here, is the one who was paralyzed last year. After they operated on his spine to remove those discs, he was paralyzed. You can find those videos back on my page, I think, with the Whispering Ranch that handles about the rescue dogs. But imagine these dogs not being on, voilà. Gypsy is here, the black and white, she's on the left. So Cheyenne is the one who we didn't know if she was going to make it last week. And this is Gypsy. See her run. Okay. So she's not having any problem at this moment from her elbow. Okay. Nevertheless, let me take that picture again. Nevertheless, when you look at this picture, those elbows, and the left elbow in particularly, is already totally bone deformed. So this does hurt. But what I'm just trying to tell you is, please do not give up on your animals, because the vet says, in this case, we can't operate, we can't do anything anymore. It's painkillers, and if the painkillers don't work anymore, you have to put them to sleep. The same with the dysplasia. No, you do not. Please don't just give up on those animals. Try something else. Try acupuncture. Try photonic therapy. Just give it a try and see what a perfect life you can still give to these animals. Okay? So I'm going to stop. Oh, somebody's saying they can't see the video. Okay, hold on. And there it is. I'm going to start over then. Okay, let me start again. So this is the elbow of Gypsy. And as you can see, this elbow, it's totally deformed. Okay, she has severe arthrosis. And you see the degree is already more than what my vet ever had seen. And well, I can only give you the same explanation I gave you before, and that is this dog is not on medication. This dog is only with photonic therapy, and I would torch her standard points. I would torch her. Let me see if I can be with you again. Hold on. No, I'm trying here. So she's getting standard points every 2 days. She's getting the specific points for her arthrosis in her elbows. She's getting the extra point, which we use for arthritis, which is level 17. It's to make the blood flow good into the body. And I would torch her locally. Apparently, I cannot. I thought I could share my video too, but let's have a look. Maybe if I click on the other link here. Okay, there it is again. So let me start over. Maybe I should start the whole thing again, but I'm learning. Okay, have a look. So here on the left is Gypsy. This is Tommy in the middle, who has been operated, who was paralyzed last year. They removed 3 discs, but this is Gypsy. Look how she's running. Now, she's a very old dog, and remember, she also has spinal problems. But nevertheless, although she has totally deformed elbows, she still can run, and you could see she was happy. Okay, so like I said before, don't give up because there is a problem, a severe problem with your animal. Don't give up if the pain medication is not working anymore. Try something else. Okay, try photonic therapy. In most European countries, you can even rent one for just a month, so you can try it out, and you will see that it works. Okay, so this is for tonight. I'm a bit sorry that it was a mix-up on BeLive, but next time it will work better. Bye-bye.